Umuza yonine we chilia kelube. Ebuka bigadelele. Stand up. For years, you are praying for your manhood to walk. There will be restoration of God upon you.
Amen.
Open your mouth. Money will come, favor will come. I see you enjoying your home again. Hey, stand up. I see you in the prison, in outside the country. If you travel abroad, anything that will take you to abroad, don't be involved in cocaine or yahoo. Have you gone to abroad before? So if you travel, where is your passport? So anything that take you there, don't join anything that will put you. I see you flying in and out. How it will happen will surprise you. I see goods coming from China very soon. Wave your hands. Arabashanda. Okay.